On the Pfaff Ambition Essential sewing machine, it has a drop-in bobbin. And there's two things I love about this. Number one, when you wind your bobbin up at the top, and here's the video, if you click on this little eye, here's a video where we teach you how to wind the bobbin. But when you wind your bobbin and you take it from the bobbin winder without flipping it over, it looks like this. The thread is coming off the left-hand side. And if you look at this little picture on your bobbin case door, that helps remind us which way this bobbin needs to drop in. And they match. So if you just take it off your bobbin winder, and then take it right here and drop it in, it will be spinning correctly based on this picture. So when you drop the bobbin in, what you want to do is let the thread flip all the way around so it gets down here towards the bottom. And about 6:30, right where my fingernail is, that's the little groove for the tension. So you want to be able to slip it in. And do you notice I'm holding the bobbin while I'm pulling it? And that way the bobbin doesn't spin. It makes sure it really gets into the tension area. If it doesn't get in there, well, then you don't have much of a good looking stitch. Then follow the little white arrow over the top and then down to the bottom here. Now right here is a little cutter, which I love because it will cut the thread to the perfect length, meaning I don't have to bring the bobbin thread up before I start to sew. I can just go ahead and put my fabric right underneath the presser foot and sew, and that thread will get pulled up to the top without that extra step. So who loves saving an extra step? This machine allows you just to put it in the bobbin, cut it, close the door, and then start to sew.